Council Development, the president of the Association of Ndigbo, Southern Nigeria, that comprises 12 states of the Southwest and the non-Igbo speaking states of the South-South.
Can you tell us why we are here today?
Well, the man there is my personal friend. In fact, I was instrumental to installation myself in Lagos State. That started by his presiding over my inauguration as the first president of Ndigbo, inaugurated outside Igbo land. The most waiting ground in Lagos. For 27 years, our friendship did not break by a minute. That is the man.
Sir, what legacy has he left behind? What can you tell us about him, about the good work he did to Ndigbo and to Lagos?
He used every instrument within his disposal to skyrocket the Association of Presidents for Diaspora. In fact, he is the symbol of the association. You know, withhold his finances, you know, withhold his wisdom, you know, withhold anything, absolutely everything. Because that was his life. So he gave everything for the entire association of President and made it known. Let the breath of all the whole world. That's what is known. And that is
so, sir, based on the good work which you have enumerated, what advice do you have for other Ndigbo?
Well, it's a very difficult question. Today, some people are using the installation of Ndigbo as a means of livelihood. We're supposed not to be. My advice is very simple. That we will do everything humanly possible. We must march on those which I have started. We must march on those to restore the dignity and the respect that is accruable to the association of Presidents.